Hi guys, this is Arno. I am one of four brothers, and we chose probably the worst day to make our first food video. But we're gonna do a beer can chicken today, and yeah, let's head over to the BBC, the Brothers Braai Club. I'll take us there. Hi guys, welcome to the BBC. This is the Brothers Braai Club. It is freezing outside. It's 10 degrees Celsius. Yes, Ron, can you please get the Weber going for us so we can get this beer can chicken going?
Definitely. Let's start, get it up and running, guys.
Yes, so let's start with that chicken. John supplied us with a farm fresh organic chicken. Although I have to say this thing looks as big as a turkey. It's huge. I think the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some olive oil and just rub this all around the chicken and inside the cavity as well. So Ron, if you can help me with that olive oil, so we can start getting it in that cavity. Okay, let's get the rest of the chicken done. So my hands, I'll just put all that. That's just goodness. You think this chicken is sticky? Okay, let's get those in. Now, yeah, put some more. Right, generous. Okay, perfect. I think that's perfect. What spice are we going to put on, Ron?
Are we going to use a chicken rub? This old nice chicken rub is nice and delicious. It's our favorite. And little dash there.
I think you can go crazy.
Yeah. Okay. Then you use a little bit of salt and pepper. You think a little bit more?
Yeah, I think we're gonna need more.
Yeah.
This is a huge chicken, man.
God, it's almost like a turkey.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Pepper. Salt. Okay, just mix it a little bit. And then
I think let's start on the inside. I just found that sometimes chicken is not spicy on the inside. If we can get some spice in that cavity, my hands, we just rub it in everywhere. I'll put some more here.
okay.
On the back. Okay, that should be good. Let's start here. Just perfect. Let's open it up right there. Get it in there. Open up this chicken. Okay, aside and under the wings as well. Yeah, perfect. Let's get in there. Turn this chicken around. This is gonna be so good. Ron, I think put everything on.
Yeah, just turn it around and then.
Yeah, just some there. Perfect. Now, the next step is going to be the beer. Yes, I tried to get a traditional beer. It was Castle or Black Label, but we had to borrow from our neighbors. So we got a Vintage, is it a Vintage? Yeah, Vintage Draft, actually. Right, pop up in that beer. Just make sure don't put the whole full beer. Everything's going to start boiling, and it's just going to completely boil over and just dirty up your Weber, and it's just going to be smoke and steam. So, how much do you think?
Drink it about, there. Drink it about
Maybe a little bit more. It's
like there.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna take a sip, and you can take a sip. It's nice and cold.
I think that's perfect, Ron.
Yeah, that's about it. So let's put it in there.
Grab that. I can take the chicken. Put that for us in the. Let's get the drip tray first.
Yes.
Put that inside the drip tray.
Nice and steady.
Perfect. And then we're just going to take this cavity, slide it over our chicken. That's...
So let us just show you the angles of this beautiful piece.
Now this is before picture and we'll show you the after. And we've got these 4 spikes. I think halfway through our cooking we're going to put some sweet corns on there, but I think this chicken's got what, going to go about maybe an
hour and a half.
Hour and a half, I'm guessing.
Yes.
I definitely need to get my hands washed. Yeah, I'm gonna get my hands washed, and John's can make us a nice little dipping sauce. He'll tell you more about it while I get my hands clean.
I think Arno and Rowan did a real good job on this chicken. I'm just going to do the sauce now, which is really simple. It's plain cream cheese and peppadew, which is uniquely South African. So if you're ever in South Africa, make sure to buy yourself one of these. It's a sweet pepper and it's really nice. So let's get started. I'll move this chicken out of the way. And this thing, Arno, get you. No braai is complete without biltong and dribbles. Oh, it's good. Okay, so let's get this open. I'm going to take about all of this. I think it should be enough. Let's get some of this in there. And you can use some of that water as well, so it will thin out your sauce a bit, because this cream cheese is a bit thick. And then you just mash everything together. Okay, so I think this sauce is ready. I just want to add a little bit more peppadew to that. There we go. And a little bit of black pepper. So now the sauce is ready for the chicken.
So the Weber is now ready for the chicken to go in. So John can help you just before you pick it up, just make sure the vents are open on the top and the bottom, and that just gives a lot of flow for the chicken, for the heat to go up and down. Yeah, John, so open that. Let me put this guy in like this, and then after 15 minutes we'll turn it. Now the waiting begins. Nothing better than an old beer, so we can wait the time to pass by.
Thank you.
Yeah, so while we wait,
cheers.
Cheers.
Franco, get the shot done. It's flipping cold, man.
Yeah, man.
It's at the fire. You done? Yeah, let's take it like this. Try not to shake, guys.
I'm just going to stick this in. So the general rule of thumb is that you turn the chicken quarterly every 15 minutes, so it gets grilled evenly around the whole chicken.
Guys, I think the chicken is done. So let's take it off and do a test. See what it tastes like. Grab it underneath armpits. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, you knew what I felt. Just leave it to it.
Nice.
Okay, perfect.
That's hot.
John, thanks. Let's do a taste on this chicken. John,
Yeah.
bring us that chicken sauce of yours. so hot.
It looks perfectly cooked.
It actually looks great. Let's see if I can get this. Guys, if you can see how juicy that is, just look at that. The sauce pumping out of this chicken. It's fantastic.
Bon appetit.
Definitely gonna try.
Oh, it's so juicy. And the sweet peppadew sauce makes it just extra nice.
John, take a piece, try it.
Yeah, please give me. I'm hungry. It's perfect. I want to try, please.
Yes, I want to. There's crispy chicken. Oh my. This ginormous Clarence turkey. Chicken, I mean. It's fantastic.
I'll take another one.
Franco, you're missing out. This chicken is fantastic. It was about an hour and a half cooking. I think it was. This chicken is much bigger than a typical size. This is about a, what John? I'm guessing about a 2 kilogram chicken. I think a kilogram would be better. That's about 2.2 pounds. This is probably a 4-pound chicken, which is huge. I would say an hour should be sufficient to cook your chicken. We put ours in for an hour and a half. And this just tastes perfect. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. And please do subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please make sure to give that thumbs up and smash that like button for us. So that will help us just get more people to see our videos on YouTube. Thanks so much, and yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Until next time.
I said a hip hop, a hippity hop. I said a hip hop to the hippity hop.
Disco, disco.